Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 7 power x is equals to 14 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I am taking log on both sides. So log 7 power x is equals to log 14. So x log 7 is equals to log 14 as 7 times 2. So x is equals to log 7 plus log 2 by log 7, because there is a property of log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So x is equals to log 7 by log 7 plus log 2 by log 7. So x is equals to 1 plus log 2 with base 7. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.